What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we have another unboxing for you today. This one actually seems like it is three things, because I could feel them moving around in here, and I do have an idea of what it is, and this is going to be exciting because it might include a giveaway. So before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So let's go ahead and find out what's in here. I do believe that this is from a company called BNLink, because they did let me know they were going to send me 3 of this device. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. All right, so yep, it is BNLink. So let's take a look. BNLink 6 outlet wall tap. So I'm going to pull the other ones out as well. So we'll put one here. We'll put one here. Hashtag sponsored. Well, not sponsored, but free. So this is a BNLink 6 outlet wall tap with USB A and C chargers. And the cool thing about this is they sent me 3 so I can give some away to my community. So I'm going to look up the rules, because I know YouTube has some rules about giveaways and contests and things like that. And we're going to do a giveaway where we give away not only some of these devices, but I have a ton of duplicate and extra devices, controllers, screens, even stuff like that. I'm going to find out a way to give away a ton of this stuff and kind of have a cool way for the community to enjoy it as well. But yeah, let's take a look at this adapter first and see what we're actually going to be using here. So we have our instruction manual. Nothing too crazy here. It's pretty self-explanatory. But here it is. We have, it does take up 2 ports because it has a little extra grounding here. It doesn't look like it's a real ground. It could be real. I don't think it is, but it does hold it in place so it's kind of not moving back and forth. This one is a real ground for sure. And then we have the actual power adapter. So then it gives us from 2 ports, 1 power port and 1 blocked, to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wall ports, along with 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port for charging. This is a total of 3.4 amps of charging with 2.4 amps per port. So yeah, pretty cool device to kind of expand 1 wall port into 6 wall ports, just like you would find on a power strip, and then get some charging ports as well. Stick this next to your nightstand, maybe even in the restroom or something like that. This would be a really useful thing to have, just kind of to plug your phone in at night or things like that. So yeah, thank you so much for BNLink for sending this over. This is a super cool, useful device. And again, we have 2 more of these, which we'll be giving away as long as YouTube lets me, along with a bunch of other cool devices in the future. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, BNLink, for sending this over. And as always, have a good one. Peace.
You can learn a thing or 2 about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,